In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bookmap Hotkeys. Hotkeys are one of the easiest ways to speed up your workflow in Bookmap. Instead of hunting through menus during fast market moves, a well-chosen key or key combination can trigger your favorite actions instantly. In just a few minutes, you'll learn where to find all the shortcuts, how to view what's already assigned, and how to customize them to match your habits. First, open the Settings menu. You'll usually find this in the top bar of the application window. Depending on your operating system and theme, it may appear as Settings or Preferences, but it's in that same general spot on the top menu. This is the command center for how Bookmap behaves, and it's where the hotkey controls live. Next, choose the Keyboard Shortcuts section. This opens a full list of hotkeys available in Bookmap. You'll see actions organized in a table, often grouped by category, along with the keys currently assigned to each one. Take a moment to scroll through and get familiar with what's already mapped. Many of the common actions will have sensible defaults, but this view helps you spot anything you might want to change or free up. If there's a search field, use it to quickly locate a command you care about, like zoom, recenter, or order actions. When you're ready to customize, double-click a hotkey entry to change it to the key or key combination you prefer. After you double-click, Bookmap will start listening for input, so simply press the keys you want to use, such as a single letter, or a combination like Control plus Shift plus a letter. Modifiers like Control, Alt, Shift, or Command are great for creating unique combos that don't interfere with basic typing. If there's a conflict with another shortcut, you'll typically get a warning. You can then choose a different combo or decide which action should keep the binding. Aim for consistency across related actions and avoid system-reserved shortcuts used by your operating system, as those may not trigger reliably. Changes usually apply right away, so you can test them immediately in your workspace. If something doesn't feel right, just double-click the entry again and choose a different mapping. Keep your most frequent actions on easy-to-reach keys, and consider a simple mnemonic system so they're easy to remember. And if you ever need to undo your changes, look in this window for an option to reset to defaults. That's it. With these quick adjustments, your Bookmap navigation becomes faster, more precise, and tailored to how you trade.